In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Oanda. This connection is essential for those of you looking to utilize the powerful charting and analysis tools available on TradingView while executing trades through your Oanda account. The process is quite straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, you need to open TradingView and navigate to the chart you're interested in. TradingView offers an intuitive interface that allows you to access a plethora of charting options and analyze the markets in depth. You can open the chart by simply going to the TradingView homepage and selecting it from your saved charts or creating a new one. Once the chart is loaded up, you'll notice various tools and panels around it. The next step involves accessing the trading panel. To do this, find the trading panel icon on the lower part of your screen. Clicking on it expands a section that provides various trading options and tools. This is where we will initiate the connection to Oanda. The trading panel is essentially your gateway to integrating different brokerage services directly into your TradingView account. Now, in the search bar of the trading panel, you'll want to type in Oanda. This search ensures that you're linking the right broker to your TradingView profile. As you start typing, you should see Oanda appearing in the list of available brokers pretty quickly. TradingView supports a wide range of brokers, allowing you to connect seamlessly with your preferred trading platform. After locating Oanda in the list, it's time to make the selection. Simply click on the Oanda option when it appears. This action highlights Oanda as the broker you want to connect with, notifying TradingView that you intend to link these services together. It's crucial to choose the correct broker to enable proper data syncing and trading functionality. With Oanda selected, the final step involves clicking on Connect. This button is typically prominently displayed, so you can't miss it. When you opt to connect, TradingView will prompt you to enter your Oanda account details. You might need to log in with your username and password, ensure that your credentials are ready, and that you've verified your login details beforehand. This ensures a smooth and secure connection between the two platforms. And just like that, you have successfully connected your TradingView account to Oanda. This setup allows you to leverage TradingView's powerful analytic tools while executing trades on your Oanda account. Remember, this connection not only enhances your trading experience but also provides a seamless, integrated platform for conducting your market strategies more effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up your connection between TradingView and Oanda. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful